Hello everybody, today we will stretch our splits and I will show you some exercise on mobility our body. So stay with me and we will stretch today. So first exercise what we will do, we will stand on our right leg, left leg strong in the other side, and we take our hands in different side and starting to plies for stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get changed. Take this leg for right leg and take this strong in different side. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take elbow and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back in this side. Take right leg and our knees and our feet. And let's start. Take in this side and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a back leg and starting pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take leg and pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that we try take on the feet and take our elbow on the leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take back. Take in this split and take back leg for ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take strong. Take down for our leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take back leg and push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and push this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take 2 legs together. Take our breathe. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it and follow me. So thank you. Bye bye.